Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from Karnataka. Important information coming in the Karnataka RSS row. Now, a government official has been suspended. The official has been suspended for participating in an RSS march. Important information coming in. A government official has been suspended for violating service conduct rules. Now, the government official wore RSS uniform at the Raichur RSS event. It's also important to put into perspective that the suspended official was a part of the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department. Important to understand that this department lies under Minister Priyank Kharge. Meanwhile, the BJP chief has hit out at the Congress government. The Karnataka BJP chief has demanded that the suspension be revoked and that there is an apology issued to the official. Important to understand that the BJP has hit out at the Congress, saying that this reflects the anti-Hindu mindset of the Karnataka government. Well, on this, you have my colleague Deepak joining us on the telecast. Now, Deepak, walk us through the details. What exactly has happened in this case?
Well, as far as the RSS and the Karnataka government is concerned, there's a standoff that's going on over the last several days. It started off with Mr. Priyank Kharge's letter to the Karnataka Chief Minister saying that in government premises, in schools and colleges, RSS events should not be allowed. And then came another letter by Mr. Priyank Kharge, the Minister for ITBT and Panchayat Raj, in which he went on to say that there are rules that prohibit any sort of government official participating in events of the RSS or other similar events. But even then, he's seeing that many of them, including in his own department, are participating in such events, and this is something that's a violation of the rules and action should be taken against such officials, was the letter that he wrote to the Chief Minister. Now, just days after, we're looking at an official from the Panchayat the department now be facing action. He's been suspended, a departmental inquiry has been ordered. The BJP, of course, is up in arms and they're saying that this should be revoked, and this is a completely vendetta politics that's being carried out by the Congress party. We'll really have to see how the justification flows, because clearly we've already heard from some of the Congress leaders who say that there are rules which already exist and prohibit government officials from participating in any events, including that of the RSS.